Diego.
We're done.
Yes, wait, Diego, wait.
Why? What's the problem?
Oh my God, what's this?
It's arrows. Wait, let's follow it.
Yes, okay. Follow. Now where? Oh, Diego, look.
Oh, I don't know that, Dora. What do you do?
Get the y-intercept of 1750x plus 15y is equal to 180. How are we gonna do that?
I don't know.
Wait.
my pen.
Oh, I know. You have to let x is equal to 0. So 1750 times 0 plus 15y is equal to 180. Since 1750 times 0 is equal to 0, so 15y is equal to 180. Dividing both sides by 15y, y now is equal to 12.
Oh!
So the y-intercept is 0, 12.
Yes, you're correct!
Yeah, we're
Wow.
smart. We're still cousins.
Yeah!
Come, Jacob, we've got to hurry. We would so die if we didn't get this medicine. Faster, Diego.
Okay, faster.
Faster. Oh my! Another equation.
Another problem.
X-intercept of negative 25x plus 23y is equal to 150. Now, Diego, what did I do to the last equation? Oh, yeah, you're right. I let x be equal to 0. But now, I will let y be equal to 0. So, negative 25x plus 23 times 0 is equal to 150. Since 23 times 0 is equal to 0, so never mind that. So, negative 25x is equal to 150. Dividing both sides by negative 25, x now is equal to negative 6. So, the x-intercept is negative 6, 0.
Wow!
Yeah, we're so smart.
Yeah, now where do we go next?
Wait, what did the map say? Mathematical stairs, street, drugstore. Mathematical stairs, street, drugstore. So where do we go next? Hey kids, where do we go next?
Street.
Alright, the Cartesian street.
Let's go!
Oh, come, Diego.
Why is this street named the Cartesian Street?
It was named after Mr. René Descartes, the father of analytical geometry. He invented the Cartesian coordinate system.
Ah, I see. But there's a problem, Dora. There are no signs or directions in the street. How are we able to go to the drugstore?
Diego, isn't it you said earlier that the answers that we will get from the equation might help us later on?
Oh, I did!
What are the answers to the equation that we solved earlier?
I put it in my handy-dandy notebook. Here it is.
Did you notice something?
I don't get you, Dora.
Maybe the answers are there, here.
Oh. Can you explain it?
Maybe the answers are actually the directions.
Yes!
Listen, this is a Cartesian street, right?
Yes, it is.
This is the street named after René Descartes, right?
Yes!
So maybe there's a connection between the street and the Cartesian coordinate plane. In order to draw the graph of a line, you need to plot the points of x and y to the graphing paper, right?
Right!
Yes! The answers to the equations are the values of x and y. If we will arrange them, it will become an ordered pair.
Oh my God, you're great! We can use this as directions.
We can use this as directions, right?
How?
Just listen and follow me. This is the starting point. Okay, this is the point of origin. It means that this is the origin. From our answer in our equation, x is equal to 2. So we're going to move to the right. 1 and then 2. Then we're going to move negative 2 backwards. So 1, 2. And then X is equal to 0. We don't have to move because it's 0, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so good. And then, let's move positive 12, so it means we're going that way. 12 steps. Go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And then, our equation number 3, x is equal to negative 6. So we're going to move negative 6 to the left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, Diego. That's the drugstore.
Wow, we're finally here.
Hi, miss. We're going to buy a medicine for my friend who has a flu. For whom? For Boots, my friend who has a flu. How old is he? Oh my God, Diego, how old is he?
I don't know. How old are you?
How old am I? Oh my God, I don't know. What will he do?
You have to solve for your age.
Okay, 5 years ago, my age was twice as old as Boots' age. In 6 years, the sum of our ages will be 40. How old are we now? So in 5 years, let x be Boots' age and let 2x be my age. Now in present time, 2x plus 5 is my age, while Boots' age is x plus 5. And in another 6 years, my age will be represented as 2x plus 11 and Boots' age will be x plus 11. So 2x plus 11 plus x plus 11 is equal to 40. Then 2x plus x is equal to 3x, 11 plus 11 is equal to 22. So 3x is equal to 40, transpose 11 to the other side, so 2x is equal to 40 minus 22, so 3x is equal to 18. Dividing both sides by 3, x now is equal to 6. Then 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So Boots is 11 years old. Right, miss? Boots is 11 years old.
Okay.
I'm so good.
You are!
Okay, here's the medicine. Here's the serum for him, since he's only 11 years old. But be sure to take care of that.
Why would you care of this?
Because it's the only supply.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. We're so smart, cousin.
Yeah.
Okay. So we don't have any more problem. We get the medicine and Boots will be cured.
Now, let's go home.
Wait, there's one more problem. You have to be cautious for Cypher because he's too fat.
Oh no! Swiper, no swiping! Swiper, no swiping! Swiper, no swiping!
You're too late! No, that's for my friend! That's for my friend! Stop that! I don't want to lose my friend. I don't want him to suffer. I value your friendship, and if you're in my position, you would do the same.
But I don't have many friends. If I will represent my life in terms of solving problems in linear equation, then let S be for Swiper and let the variable x be for no one. And plus x is equal to loner. I'm loner, Dora. I don't have any friend, but if you will find me a friend, then I'll give you the medicine.
Oh! Diego! You can be the friend of Swiper!
What?
Yes!
Wow, thanks, Dora.
Now can I have the medicine?
Okay.
Yay!
Wait, where are you going?
Adios!
Hey!
Adios! Bye! Boots! I buy your medicine! Here!
Oh, thank you, Dora.
Here, drink it. Here's the esophagus.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure. Are you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm okay now.
Oh, it's okay! Come on, guys!
We did it! We did it! We did it!
We did it! We found Swiper's new friend and we helped Boots cure. We did it! We did it! Oh yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Woo! Hooray! We did it!
What was your favorite part of the trip? I like that too. My favorite part was when I cured Boots. That's all. Thank you again for another episode of Dora the Magic.
Bye-bye!